Hi, my name is Tyler, and I'm a third-year student studying computer science at the University of Colorado Boulder. Today, we are going to learn about potential and kinetic energy. Before you lies a bagel, a battery, and a bowling ball, high above the ground. What could these objects have in common? One similarity is that they all contain energy. The bagel contains chemical energy that is used by the body as fuel. The battery contains electrical energy, which can be used to power a flashlight or audio player. And the bowling ball has potential energy that could be used to crush a can. In this lesson, we will be learning about mechanical energy. There are two different types of mechanical energy, potential and kinetic. Potential energy can also be thought of as stored energy that is not currently in use. Potential energy can be described with the equation. Potential energy is equal to the mass of an object multiplied by the acceleration of gravity and the height of the object from the ground. If an object is at the top of a ramp, how can it go up the other side? Kinetic energy is the energy an object has because of its motion. Any object that is moving has kinetic energy and can be described with the formula. Kinetic energy equals 1/2 the mass of an object multiplied by the velocity of it squared. Notice that because velocity is squared, it is a more important factor than mass. Both kinetic and potential energy are measured in joules. Potential energy can change into kinetic energy, and kinetic energy can turn into potential energy. The total mechanical energy of a system is the potential energy plus the kinetic energy. Energy is never lost. It's always converted from one form to another. Engineers must understand both potential and kinetic energy. A simple example would be the design of a roller coaster, a project that involves both mechanical and civil engineers. At the beginning of the roller coaster, the cars must have enough potential energy to power them for the rest of the ride. Every hill it goes down, its potential energy will be converted into kinetic energy. And every hill it goes up, its kinetic energy will be converted back into potential energy. Engineers must design the roller coaster to have enough energy to complete the course and to overcome the energy draining effects of friction. Consider this. What type of energy is at the top of the roller coaster? How about the bottom? Both potential energy and kinetic energy are forms of mechanical energy. Potential energy is the energy of position, and kinetic energy is the energy of motion, and they can be transformed back and forth. Engineers need to understand different forms of energy so that they can design useful products. Aerospace engineers use their understanding of kinetic energy to launch objects into space. Car manufacturers use their understanding of kinetic energy to create safer and more reliable vehicles, and mechanical engineers design fun games and activities. Check out the lesson on the Teach Engineering website, and then use what you learned about kinetic and potential energy to calculate and predict the speed of a pendulum in our associated hands-on activity, swinging pendulum.